Hello, everybody. Very positive morning. I hope all are doing great. Take care, stay home, and stay safe. And today we are learning the treasure house within you. Infinite riches are all around you. If you open your mental eyes and behold the treasure house of infinity within you. Infinite riches are all around you. If you open your mental eyes and behold the treasure house of infinity within you, there is a gold mine within you through which you can extract everything you need to live your life joyously, gloriously, and abundantly. Many are sound asleep because they do not know this gold mine of infinite intelligence and boundless love within themselves. You can attract everything, whatever you want, right? And a magnetized piece of steel can lift 12 times more than its own weight. If you demagnetize the same piece of steel, it cannot lift even a feather. Similarly, there are two kinds of people. The magnetized people will always live in confidence and faith, and they know they have a clear idea that they born to get win. They born to get success. And on the other hand, demagnetized people will always live in doubt. Opportunities will come, but they tell, I can't afford this. I may fail. I may lose my money. People will laugh at me. And remember, these kind of people will never get so far in their life, because if you are afraid to move forward, you simply stay where you are. So be a magnetic personality and discover the secret from the ages. The secret is the marvelous and miracle working power of your own subconscious mind. You can bring into your life more energy, more power, more health, more wealth, more happiness, and more joy by learning to contact and release the hidden power of your subconscious mind. You no need to acquire anything. You no need to acquire health, you no need to acquire wealth, you no need to acquire happiness, you no need to acquire joy. Everything is within you. The one thing what you have to do is to know how to use it. But remember, know everything fully, and you can use in each and every department of your life. You can find solutions to each and every problem, and at the same time, you can find the cause to each and every effect in your own subconscious mind. Experience the happiness, the joyous moments, the love and peace, and the miracle of your subconscious mind, that it has the wonderful healing power. It can heal your broken heart, and at the same time it can heal your troubled mind. It can open the prison of your mind, and it will liberate you. And at the same time, it will help you to come out of your physical and mental bondages. All your experiences, events, conditions, and acts are the reactions of your subconscious mind to your thoughts. Your prayer will be answered according to the universal law of action and reaction. The reaction is the response from your subconscious mind with the nature of your thoughts. Fill your mind with the thoughts of peace, happiness, joy, and you will do miracles. You have one mind, but your mind possesses two distinctive characteristics: the objective and subjective mind, the rational and irrational mind, the waking and sleeping mind, the conscious and subconscious mind, the male and female mind, and so on. Look upon your mind as a garden, and you are a gardener. And you are planting seeds, which means thoughts, to your subconscious mind all day long, according to your habitual thinking. As you sow in your subconscious mind, so shall you reap in your body and your environment. Begin now to sow the qualities of peace, prosperity, happiness, joy, right action in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you want automatic notifications whenever I upload my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.